Hey guys, I'm Siddhartha. Welcome back to the channel. Few days back in this summer, my mom was preparing this. So I just thought why not to share the recipe, it must be helpful for you. If then don't forget to press on the like button, even one like means a lot to me. If you're new to the channel then do subscribe now. To make this liya body, here I took nearly 200 grams of sabudana in a container. Now add water and let it boil in high flame. Here you can see in the beginning how they are looking like, just cook until it turns into transparent. Once it will be done, the color will change like this. Now here I have transferred this to a plate. Place it under a fan and let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here I am adding half cup of red chili powder along with salt to taste. Give it a good mix and keep in a side and move to the next step. In next process, here I am going to wash 10 kg of puffed rice in half bucket of water. I don't have any idea what's the name of this puffed rice in other state, but in Odisha we call it as liya ya khoi. Once you're done with washing, transfer this to another container. After that, here I am going to add 1 cup of sesame, which will be nearly 100 grams to the puffed rice. Now add the prepared sabudana mixture to the puffed rice as well. Now mix it properly. Wherever you will get proper sense and spread a mat like this. To make liya body, here our mixture is ready. To give the shape, here I took a box like this which should have border in the edge. Now cover it with a wet cloth. Dip your hand in water, take small portion from the mixture and do how I am showing in the video. Just take one handful from the mixture and place over the cloth. Now press it by hand so that it will get proper shape. Once you're done with this process, remove the body from the cloth and spread over the mat so that it will get dry properly. In the same process, here I am going to prepare all the body. Must do this at home as it's very simple and easy, just you have to fry and eat whenever you want. As the channel is in growing period, please do support by sharing the video with your friends and family through social media, and if possible, please ask them to subscribe too. If you will do, then please share your experience in the comment section so that others will get inspired. Now let them sun dry for 2 to 3 days. After that, store in any airtight container so that you can store for more days. If you want to store for more time, then you have to do regular sun dry, that is twice or thrice in a year.